This is Marina and this is
David.
And we're going to be showing to you the opening of the boxes that just came from RIMAN with all of the products we got to present to all of you. Ready? Okay, first box.
Here. Yeah, we'll start with the little
We'll start with the little box.
Yeah.
So what we got is the biggest package you can get for box you can get if you become a RIMAN planner. And I also got a small box for new makeup line that just came out last week.
I'm excited to play with that.
Let's see. I do not know what this is. This is really, I have no idea. This box came with two glow up lip oils. Okay, this box had just 2 lip oils. Let's do the next one.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like to do the honors?
Yes, I will do the honors. Oh, it's a bubble wrap. Invoice. All right, we got more product here. Dermatology first package. Dermatology booster.
Okay, this is
Moisturizing booster.
it's a dermatology serum. Let's see. Hold on. All right, we should probably pull it all out.
Oh,
what else is there? I'm gonna open this.
Yeah, we've got dermatology cream.
Okay, this is what it looks like. This is a dermatology booster. Let's do the next box. Yeah. Oh, I need to open this. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this comes with a cute little spoon.
Oh, that's adorable.
Dermatology cream.
I love their packaging.
I know.
Very classy.
This is brand new packaging, by the way. They just redid their packaging like last month. This is new shipments. I don't even know how to set it up so it looks good. Here we go. We'll go with
that. Oh, that's cool.
Okay, next box.
All right, there you go.
Next one.
Yeah, we got a lot in this one.
Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. You
Yeah. No, we've got a bunch in this one.
Give me the
do one at a
papers.
time.
All right, let's do that.
All right, it looks like we have a luminous glow cushion.
Nice.
A couple of those. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of those.
Is it the same?
Yeah, these are all the same.
Okay. Oh, I know what that is. That is so adorable. Look at that. And this is...
I like how it keeps it separate too.
Yeah, this way you can buy new ones of this for different people or just when it goes out. And this is the same, right?
Okay, I suppose different shade. Yeah, there's different
This
shades.
is makeup.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
You have tan.
This is fair. And this is natural beige. And what is this one, the one that I already opened?
This first one here, oh, that's
This
tan.
is the one I opened.
Yeah.
The one I opened is light glow cushion. This is their makeup line.
Okay, they have a good variety of shades too.
We'll open them all up and you can see them later.
Next we have Calming Balance Gel.
This is a gel. This is part of the daily routine.
Okay, this is the same.
This is what the size of the gel looks like. Okay, here we go. Next one.
Excited to play with all this stuff. All right, we've got a hair oil serum.
This is the hair oil serum. Okay, let's see.
And hair care as well, that's cool.
This is really good stuff. This is the stuff that regrows and thickens your hair. It's amazing. That's what it looks like. Okay, next one.
All right. This next one is Essential Toner, Radiance Toner.
Wow, this is big.
Yeah, it is a nice size.
I was expecting a bit smaller.
Yeah, for toners, I was expecting smaller.
Let's see.
This looks intriguing.
This is what it looks like. Oh, wrong size.
A decent sized bottle too. That's great.
So, what else?
All right, the next one is Cleansing Powder Wash.
Oh, this is so cool. It's a powder and it's a wash. So what you do is you put it into your hand with a little bit of water.
That's when you were
and then
telling
it
me
soaps it up. So when you travel in a travel kit, there's a travel kits there somewhere. You do not have to deal with it as a liquid
I like that.
on an airplane.
So you just add water and...
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. Yeah, that's what the bottle full
like
size
that idea.
looks like. This is full size. There's going to be sample sizes there too.
Oh, cool. All right. And what is this? Microfluidizer cream, Radiance cream.
Okay.
Ooh,
I need to open
that's
this.
coming next.
Hold on. Oops, there we go. Oh, it's actually a bigger box than you think. So this is pretty heavy. Feel it.
Dense, yeah.
Yeah, this will last several months. I'm telling you, this is good. This is also part of advanced.
Good stuff
Nighttime
here when you need
ritual.
to use sparingly so it'll last.
Yeah. So let's see. I'll just put it here. Okay, next
All right.
one.
This one I'm excited about, the collagen mask.
This is a collagen mask. This is, and I'm gonna do a full presentation on how to use it. It melts into your skin.
Wow.
It's amazing. It's called 100 melting mask. There is not 100 masks in here. There is 5 masks in here. So, but it's called 100 because it's 100% collagen.
That's probably so rejuvenating, collagen.
So this one just has packets with instructions.
Oh, cool.
So we'll get
I'm
to that
excited
in a
about that
different
one.
video.
We'll do a
Okay.
demonstration video for that one.
Yep. Let's see. And this is moisture cleansing oil. I believe that is the stuff that cleansing oil, is that what you use? There is an oil that you use with the mask. I think this might be the oil. Nope, that's not the oil for the mask. This is just the oil for cleansing. Okay,
We
let's
have
pull
all
some
different lip tints in all different shades.
Which is that one?
Velvet
This is-
matte. It's my matte.
Okay, I'm gonna open one of
Yeah.
them. I
Oh,
think
the
colors
shades are on
right
top.
here.
Yeah.
Here,
You
here's
have
the
a nude
shades.
here.
Which one do I like more?
I like the nude.
I like this one.
I
Let
like
me try
that
that
red.
one
That is
open.
pretty. That would suit you too.
How about you?
Mm.
wear
I
lipstick?
probably sometimes. I would probably use like a nude.
Okay, here we go.
I debate it. I like a really light pink that looks.
Oh my
natural.
gosh, look at this packaging. This
I know,
is
I
like
love the
lavender
packaging.
color.
It's a gorgeous color.
It is.
It's like an Asian red. That's so pretty.
Yeah.
It's like a tint, so it's probably, and it's matte, I believe. I like that, but it's not shiny.
Okay, so this
I
is
love
different
matte
colors.
lipsticks.
Here, I'm not gonna
Oh, yeah,
open
you
them
can
all. I'm
show-
just gonna put them like that.
Gotcha. Oh, we got 2 more. Oh, I like these.
Oh, I like that one too.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, there's 2 more here.
Oh, and this is something else.
Okay.
Multi-stick balm. So it's like a skin treatment.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll have to learn
Well,
about
we'll
that.
learn about all this. Yeah, I'm excited to play with everything and learn about it. Two-phase oil mist.
Wow, feel it. Feel the packaging.
Oh wow.
That is really cool.
That is cool. It's like stone.
I think it's like because this is made from volcano from like
volcanic ash or what?
not volcanic ash, but the stuff, the water comes from the south
okay.
of Korea volcano, Juju water.
Oh,
And so I
okay.
think this is to kind of resemble the volcano,
Gotcha.
whatever
If I
surface
kind of
is.
said
Yeah.
the stone,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, that's cool. I love the feel of that.
Okay. What else? do we have
Two-phase
here?
oil mist. We have 2 of these. It's a hydrating mist. Yeah, moisturizing mist
Yeah.
to provide radiant, dewy skin.
This is part
Give
of
you
also
a
daily
glow.
ritual. See, you can see oil at the top.
Oh, let's kind of shake it up. Yeah, that's cool.
That is really cool.
Huh.
And that's the same. 2 of the
I
same.
believe this is the same
Okay.
one. Yep.
What else?
Oh, we have a set. I need this setting spray for your makeup. That's great.
Setting spray for
Yeah,
your
after you do everything, it sets it.
Okay, let's see.
That's cool.
That is really cool.
I really just do love the look of the products too. Very classy looking. Microfluidizer and
That's
fuel.
part of this.
Oh,
That's their
okay,
daily
yeah.
routine.
And Daily Aqua BB.
Okay,
Oh,
let's
is
see.
this a BB? Huh.
Here we go.
That's made with that energy water you were talking about. Is it daily? Oh, a BB cream. I love this. They kind of balance out your
Oh, and it
complexion.
came with a tiny little another spoon.
You know, not as heavy as the foundation, but it kind of balances you out. This is nice. It's a BB cream. I wear those.
Oh, the BB cream. Yep. Yep. I tried
Just
that.
to kinda, you know what I mean? Like,
was good.
even everything out.
Yep.
Without being
There's
too
two of
heavy.
them.
I love that stuff. Alrighty.
Yeah, this is definitely very light. I did try this one.
I love
It's
those kind of creams.
It's part of the daily morning routine. You don't need it at nighttime.
Yeah.
But in the morning, it's good stuff.
Just kind of even out your skin tone without it being too heavy.
And
That's
last
cool.
one. You want to do that?
Sure.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
there's
wow.
more stuff, more than I expected.
It's exciting. There's a lot in here.
What is that?
That.
Two of them.
Two of the collagen
this is
melting
more
sheets.
of the melting sheets. This
I am
is
very curious.
This is
about
the free stuff that comes with the package. This is like
you get a lot.
Yeah, you do get a lot. Yep. So we get more of the collagen masks.
That is a conditioner.
It's for your hair.
Oh, okay.
There's
That
a
makes
hair
sense.
conditioner and shampoo. This must be the conditioner.
Yep, shampoo.
Let's see. This.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Their packaging gives me such faith in these products. They have beautiful packaging. That's interesting, the consistency. And it's like water. That's cool.
Okay.
All right, body wash.
Oh,
that's
okay. Let's smell it. So interesting now what
yeah,
their
I'm
body wash
curious how
smells
it
like.
smells.
The vegan scent
feeling
of relaxing Sunday. Well, today's Sunday.
That's true.
And let's just see.
But today is Sunday.
Today's Sunday. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to open it so
Yeah,
I
so
don't
we can
put it on my hands. This is really tight. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to open it. I'm just gonna
squirt a little tiny bit.
There it is. Smell it.
Ooh, that's nice. Very light, not overbearing.
It has
really,
like lavender
very clean.
and what else is in here? It's gotta be say what it says in it.
Just very clean and very fresh.
Very clean. Samuel Nourishing Body Wash. I just saw somewhere. Relaxing Sunday, vegan scent of sweet, warm, and kind of lavender and jasmine in harmony with scent of aromatic herbs.
Yeah, it's not overbearing. I like it. It's
Very
not too
nice.
much. I can't stand ones that are too strong.
Smell it.
Or that could interfere with your perfume.
Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice.
It's just very clean. I do like that. Because some of them are so like overbearing and they could potentially, you know, like not blend with your perfume or whatever. This is nice. It just smells clean.
Okay.
I like that. Oh, it's a body cream. So, relaxing Sunday body cream.
Okay. Probably about this.
That just reminds me of something. That scent.
Oh, it's sealed.
Okay.
Smell it. Very
nice.
Very fresh.
I like that it's not overbearing. It's very fresh. And
On this, hold on. Let's finish with this. What is this? Sunscreen. 2 bottles of sunscreen protection, and it is SPF 50 plus. And I am so curious how it feels because some of them are like sticky to your face, and I
some of them
hate
are
it.
so heavy.
And I really want to know what this one is like.
You don't want to feel it sitting on your face.
Yeah, try it. It's very nice.
Light. And it absorbs. Yeah. Oh, that is nice because it doesn't. It kind of absorbs right away. It doesn't sit on your skin.
It doesn't feel like it's. Yeah, it doesn't feel like a layer of your skin. It goes straight into your skin.
It really does. It just sits right in.
And this is the last one of this. Snow Enzyme Cleansing X Soft and Daily Cleanser. Oh, this is the daily cleanser. It's it could be instead of the powder one.
Oh, okay.
So powder.
It's a daily facial cleanser.
Yeah. So we'll go.
Nice. Nice size too.
So it's supposed to last you a few months.
Yeah, it should.
The basic daily routine package around $300 should probably last you 5 months.
You're getting a lot. I'm amazed how much product there is for these guys.
Okay, these are the sample boxes.
Oh, cool.
Okay, we got 2 kinds. We have the Advanced Radiance 100 and your basic one. All right, you open one, I'll open the other one.
Yeah. All right. Oh, this is great.
Oh my goodness, it all shifted a little bit in here.
All right,
Let me
so
put
the
this
cleanup
back.
powder, and you have the oil mist, the balance gel.
Yeah, it comes in steps.
Skin booster.
Right? So you get, hold on, let me put everything back
The
in.
whole regimen, that's cool.
Yeah, this is your travel size or your test kit, whichever way you want to do it. So if you want to get your hands on this and you live in my area, I will drop this off for you so you can try it for 3 days, and I promise you will feel the difference and you will see the difference. So that is the little, basically this is a mini of that, and this is a mini of that, and this one is a mini of the powder. And then there is a spray at the end.
And this one has 8 steps.
Yeah, and this is the expert routine.
Wow.
So this is the one I tried when my friend introduced me, and this is the one I fell in love with. And over here you have all of the steps, and it tells you step 1, 2, 3, and then you go to this one, back to here, and you keep moving.
Oh, cool.
So, and then what we have here is, look at that. We got 4 of each.
That's neat.
4 of each kind of a kit, and this is what will be given out for people to try in my neighborhood.
That's
so
awesome.
again, you're in my neighborhood, give me a shout.
Pop in.
Well, you can pop in or you can borrow.
You might see me at Trader Joe's.
There you go. All right, so let's move that box off the table, and here we have it. I'll move this out of the way. Got boxes and boxes, and all of this together is the kit.
Stuff.